Hi, this is Ariel with Homeschool Together podcast, and today we're going to use Excel to make a book list in Trello. So this is a great handy way to make a quick book list using the curriculum that you've purchased. If you haven't listened to our episode yet on Trello and all of the ways that we use it to enhance our homeschool, definitely check out the link in the description for that podcast episode, and you can find out some great information. So today we're going to use Excel to make a book list. So for our daughter's level 1 year, or first grade, quote unquote, year, we're going to be doing Build Your Library. So here's the Build Your Library website for level 1. And as you see here, there's a full list of all the books that we're going to need. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to highlight the books that are needed here. Control C, Control V. Here they are in Excel. I'm going to go here and I'm going to say format auto fit row height so that we're not looking at quite so much. And as you see here, these are all links and they have these titles here. I'm going to go ahead and remove the titles. You could keep them if you want, but I'm just going to do this for presentation's sake. And let's pull these out here. Okay, great. So I'm then going to go ahead and highlight all of these. Control C, and I click over here and I'm going to right click paste special, and I'm only going to paste the values so that I can take all the links out of it. So I don't have to worry about all of this embedded information. So I can go ahead and delete this column, and here we go. I've got all of the book titles that I will need for level 1 of Build Your Library. So I can now come over to Trello. Here's my board for level 1. And let's say that it is Build Your Library book list. Okay, so I've got a whole list here. And I'm going to go ahead and start a card. And this card, I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything, Control C. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to paste it. And you're going to see it makes a huge list here. And when I say add card, it gives me an option. Do I want to create just one card with all these lines, or do I want to create individual cards? Of course, I do want to create individual cards. And then you give Trello a few moments as it populates, and you will see that every book has its own card now. So this is perfect. This is ready for you to plan out your weeks. You can add the pictures to the cards if you'd like to. You can look at I'll do another video about how to add pictures, images to the covers of cards. But here's everything you need. You can plan out how you want to use it. And this is just a great way for you to leverage Excel. One of the other ways you could do it is copying out of the PDF once you've actually purchased the curriculum. If you want to copy extension books or anything else and you want to put them into Trello so that you can use them, this is another great way. And this should work with whatever curriculum you plan to use. So I hope that this was helpful and saves you some time having to type in all of these titles. So if you have any questions, please leave comments below and we'll get to those. And I hope this was helpful.